Hello everyone, my name is Sadiq Abola Olalikon. I am here to introduce the topic which is SEO. What do you mean by SEO? Search engine optimization. I'll be talking about what is SEO, why SEO matters, how does it work, and some key components on SEO. I am presenting this topic on behalf of Virtual Assistants Nigeria, where we teach people in digital skills. So moving on to the next slide here, which is what is SEO. Like we all know, SEO is search engine optimization. It's process of improving your website visibility. How can you increase your website visibility? Is by optimizing your website with ranking keywords. What are the people searching for? What do they need? Just like you want to set up a particular business, you will search for what are the ranking keywords people are looking for. What does people do search for? So with these, by integrating all these by optimizing all these ranking keywords to your website, it will help your website to have a high chance of appearing on the search engine. What There are a lot of search engines. We have Google, we have Yahoo, we have Bings. So with this, it will help to drive traffic organically into your website. Driving traffic organically to your website simply means without you running any ads. So it's ranking keywords, optimize it to your website to help people to visit your website organically. Moving on to the next slide here. Why does SEO matters? SEO matters because it helps to increase visibility. Okay, like I said earlier on my previous page, I said by you optimizing your SEO with ranking keyword, by you optimizing your website with ranking keywords, it will increase your visibility because okay, you've already optimized your website with ranking keywords. What about any client, any buyer visit Google to search for best running shoes, best selling food, best shoemakers, in which you've already integrate all these ranking keywords into your store, you will be able to have the high chance of appearing on the first page, which simply means it increase your visibility. So the next one is it attract organic traffic. When we are talking about attracting organic traffic, like I said, without you running any ads, without you running advertisement, it will help people to visit your website organically because of what you've already worked on all the keywords, all the ranking keywords that are trending, you've already optimized it to your store. So this will help people to trust you because it builds credibility. Okay, I search for something like this. I search for running best running shoes in Oyekiti. And fortunately for your store, it appears on the first page of Google. As a buyer, for your website to appear on the first page of the Google, I will conclude because I will conclude that Google trusts this particular website because they've already crawl index all the pages, which simply allows them to bring your website to the first page. So moving on to the next slide, which is how search engine works. So as you can see on each of my slide here, I make use of screenshots of what each of my slide simply means. That's the image on the background. So when we are talking about how search engine works, it helps, it works in a three process, which is crawling, indexing, and ranking. When we are talking about crawling is just like finding the content. Search engine optimization, search engine, which are Google, Yahoo, Bing, the helps in finding the content in your website. The next one is indexing. Indexing is just like organizing your content for future search. Organizing your content for future search. When the ranking is what, how it is being displayed based on their relevancy. This SEO simply helps the Google to know, to read the pros and cons of the website. Moving on to the next slide here, which is the key component of the SEO. Like you see on my display here, the key component, the image has already displayed, which is on page, off page, and technical. So when we are talking about the key components, like I said, on page, off page, and SEO, off page and technical. When we're talking about on page, these are the work that has been done on the website with the word on page on the website. What are the work being done on the website? I will talk about it in my next slide here. What about the off page? Off page are the work that have been done off the website, like the word off page, off the website. When the technical is what? They are the technical part with the word technical. They are the technical part of the work being done off the website too, which simply means it is off page too, but it is technical. So moving on to the next slide here, which is keyword research. Keyword research basics. Well, with the word keyword, it's just like a phrase people search for. Like we all know, phrase sometimes can have a meaning and cannot have a meaning. Okay, just like best running shoe, best running shoe. People search for best running shoe. That simply means since you've already optimized your website with all these ranking keywords, you will have the chance to appear. What are the tools that we use for these keywords? How can you know the ranking keywords? We have the tools that we know as Google Keywords Planner. Google Keywords Planner. With this, which help you to find the popular keywords, the ranking keywords, you will even have the chance to know how does this particular keywords is ranking? How does people search for this particular keywords most? So moving on to the next slide here, which is the on-page SEO. When we're talking about on-page SEO, like I explained on in my former slide, which is part of the component of the SEO. When we're talking about on-page SEO, on-page SEO is optimizing the website, the on page, the page on the website, which are the what products. Maybe you are selling a product or service, optimizing the product title, the tag, meta description, the product image, hot image. With this, you will have the high chance of appearing in the website, of appearing in the search engine, be it Google, Bing, Yahoo. Okay, for instance, let's say you are running a business. You are running a business, you are selling a fashion wear, and people search for a particular one, which is the search in the search engine, they search for avoidable men's suit. But with the help that you've already optimized these particular keywords in your website, you've already optimized it, you will have the chance to appear on the page. So moving on to the next page here, which is off-page SEO. When we're talking about off-page, I've already explained about it earlier on, which is off the website. Off-page SEO is just like backlinking people by backlinking your website with the what with the authoritative website. What are the authoritative websites? They are like Land, Reddit. You can even backlink through your what through your social media website. Okay, for instance, now I sell a particular fashion wear and I have a Facebook or Instagram. I can actually create a content, high quality content with image of what I sell, and I will include the particular link with the call action that do you want to purchase more or do you want to learn more? Visit this particular website. And after they clicked on it, it will allow me to drive traffic into my website organically. And under this off page, I'll be talking about the technical too, because the technical SEO too is off page. When I'm talking about technical SEO, it's just like the technical part of ranking your website. What are the technical parts? For instance, these are the website store speed, and another one, website store speed. Another one, which are the site mapping. When I'm talking about site mapping, it's just like submitting all your pages to Google to index the page. Moving on to the next slide here, which is we'll be talking about the measuring SEO success. When I'm talking about measuring SEO success, we track SEO success with metrics like organic traffic, bouncing rate, ranking keywords. What is the tools that we make use in measuring our SEO success? We make use of Google Analytics. Like you see on my background here, you can see the screenshot of the success of a particular website, which states the particular impression, which says the bouncing rate, which states the organic traffic, and the waves, which shows how people visit the particular website. So moving on to the next slide, here, which is my last page, which is my last slide here. So I will encourage you. Are you looking for how to optimize your website? Are you looking for how your website will rank higher, will rank to the first page on the website. Kindly hire an expert or join this wonderful organization, which is Nigerian Virtual Assistant Nigeria, to learn more or to become an expert like all of us has become. Because this particular Virtual Assistant Nigeria, they train from a beginner on digital skills. Thank you very much.